Launchpool. What is Binance Launchpool? When users stake their crypto assets in the DeFi projects, such as provide liquidity to a liquidity pool, they will get rewards. This is called yield farming. Binance introduces Launchpool, a new product to allow users to farm new assets. And users will be able to acquire new token rewards in return for staking BNB, BUSD, and other tokens. How to participate in a new project. Open Binance official website, Binance.com. Click this button in the navigation menu and select Launchpad. Choose the Launchpool tab to find all Launchpool projects. You can also find Launchpool under the Earn section. Let's try with Flamingo BNB as an example. Flamingo BNB means to stake BNB to farm the new token Flamingo FLM. Click Stake Now. You can see the project reward information and the estimated annual percentage yield APY shown on the screen. There is also a project end time shown at the top of the page. My Funds shows your staked assets, and Available shows your available balance on your spot wallet. You can also buy the crypto asset required for staking by clicking Buy BNB. By clicking Stake, users can stake BNB to farm FLM, and users may redeem the assets at any time by clicking Redeem. Under Staking History, you will be able to find all your staking rewards. My Rewards show your earned rewards which are unclaimed. Note that rewards are updated every hour. Users can click Claim Rewards to claim your earned tokens to your spot wallet at any time. Users can view their claimed rewards or distribution history by clicking Claim History. That's super easy, right? By staking your tokens like BNB or BUSD, etc., you can farm new tokens and win rewards. Launchpool, a secure way to farm new assets.